Hey friends, if you wish to know what DDR your RAM is, then please watch this video. Now don't go to other methods explained on other websites because they do not share the DDR with you. They will only share the static and dynamic information of the RAM. Now here's what you can do. Type CPU Z in the search bar and we need to download this tool. And it's an excellent tool. I mean, I would have downloaded it anyway. And then click on this one, the setup one, and then it will start installing it on your system. Click on download now and then click on open and wait for a while till this installs on your computer. Like, I accept the agreement, next, install, and then finish. And then we have this readme here, and this will be installed on your system in a while. Once it is installed, search for CPU Z in the Windows search bar and open the app. It will start loading the app for the first time and open the app on your computer. And when the app is open on your computer, go to the memory section and it will mention the type of DDR on your system. So it's DDR5 for my system. And it will also tell you the size and other information about your RAM. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.